In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana and Notion. By the end, you'll have the official Notion app set up from within Asana, so your tasks and notes can stay in sync and your team can work in the tools they prefer. Make sure you're signed into Asana in a browser and that your workspace allows apps. If you're on a managed account, you may need admin approval to finish the install. Start by opening Asana and landing on your home view. This is the central dashboard you see after logging in, and it's a good place to begin so the navigation is consistent. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. It's the small avatar or initials button that opens your personal menu. If your window is narrow, expand it so you can see the full header. The profile icon can collapse on smaller screens. From that profile menu, choose Settings. This opens your preferences in a panel where you can control account options. We're going into Settings because that's where Asana groups integrations and app connections, which keeps everything in one predictable place. Inside Settings, switch to the Apps section. This tab highlights apps you can connect and any that may already be linked to your account. If you don't see apps, you may be in a restricted role. Check with your admin or try a desktop browser for the full experience. Scroll down and click See All Apps. This takes you to the Asana app directory, which is the catalog of official integrations curated by Asana. Using the directory ensures you get the supported Notion integration rather than a random third-party tool. In the directory, use the search bar and type Notion. You should see the Notion listing appear. Open it to view details like what data the integration can access and the kinds of actions it enables between the two tools. On the Notion for Asana page, click Install Notion for Asana. Asana will guide you through any remaining prompts. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to confirm the Asana workspace and grant permissions so the connection can function. If you hit a permission roadblock, an admin can approve the app for your organization. Once installed, you're set to bring Asana tasks into Notion pages and reference them alongside docs, roadmaps, or meeting notes. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh Asana and the app directory page. That's all you need to integrate Asana and Notion from within Asana's settings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more connected workflow.